A healthy breakfast is essential for starting the day off right. It provides the necessary energy and nutrients needed to fuel your body and mind. This meal sets the tone for better food choices throughout the day, contributing to overall well-being. Why breakfast is important energy boost. Breakfast replenishes your body's glucose supply, which is crucial for brain function and physical activity. Metabolism. Eating a nutritious breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, helping you burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. Cognitive function. Consuming a healthy breakfast improves concentration, memory, and overall brain performance. Weight management studies suggest that regular breakfast consumption can help with weight control, preventing overeating later in the day. Components of a healthy breakfast. Whole grains. Opt for whole grain options such as oatmeal, whole grain bread, or whole grain cereals. They provide fiber, which keeps you feeling full longer. Protein includes sources of lean protein such as eggs, Greek yogurt, or nut butter. Protein aids in muscle repair and contributes to satiety. Healthy fats. Incorporate healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, or seeds. These fats are vital for hormone production and nutrient absorption. Fruits and vegetables. Adding fruits and vegetables boosts your intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They also enhance fiber content. Easy, healthy breakfast ideas overnight. Oats. Combine rolled oats with yogurt or milk and add fruits and nuts. Refrigerate overnight for a quick, nutritious breakfast. Smoothie bowl. Blend your favorite fruits with spinach or kale and top with granola, seeds, and berries for added texture and nutrition. Egg muffins. Whisk eggs and mix in veggies, cheese, and cooked meats. Bake in a muffin tin for a portable, protein-packed meal. Avocado toast. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast and top with poached eggs, cherry tomatoes, or a sprinkle of seeds. Tips for making breakfast healthy. Plan ahead. Prepare ingredients in advance to make breakfast quick and easy during busy mornings. Balance your plate. Aim for a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, ensuring a more complete nutrient profile. Stay hydrated. Don't forget to drink water or herbal tea as part of your breakfast routine. Limit added sugars. Be mindful of sugary cereals and pastries. Opt for natural sweetness from fruits instead. Conclusion. A healthy breakfast is a vital part of a balanced diet. By including whole grains, proteins, healthy fats, and fruits or vegetables, you set yourself up for a successful day. Prioritize this meal and reap the benefits of improved energy, metabolism, and overall health.